The iPhone 16 Pro is here. It's not just another smartphone, it's a revolution in your pocket. It's not just an upgrade, it's a statement. With its stunning new colors, the iPhone 16 Pro stands out in any crowd, making a bold impression wherever you go. This is Apple's most advanced iPhone yet, pushing the boundaries of what a smartphone can be. The futuristic interface is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, making every interaction seamless and enjoyable. From its powerful new processor to its incredible camera system, the iPhone 16 Pro is designed for those who demand the very best. The A16 Bionic chip ensures lightning-fast performance, while the camera system captures stunning photos and videos in any lighting condition. Apple has packed in impressive new features. The promotion display offers a smoother, more responsive experience, and the new battery technology provides longer life, keeping you connected all day. They've also refined the core experience. The iOS 16 operating system is more powerful and easier to use than ever before, with new features that enhance productivity and creativity. This makes the iPhone 16 Pro a true flagship phone. Its luxurious design and premium materials make it a joy to hold and use, while its advanced technology sets it apart from the competition. It's both familiar and exciting. The design is instantly recognizable, yet the new features and improvements make it feel like a brand new device. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just want the best possible smartphone, the iPhone 16 Pro deserves a close look. Its combination of power, design, and innovation makes it the perfect choice for anyone looking to upgrade their mobile experience. In this review, we'll break down all the key features. From the advanced camera system to the powerful new processor, we'll show you why the iPhone 16 Pro is the best smartphone on the market. We'll see why this phone is generating so much buzz. The iPhone 16 Pro has taken social media by storm, with users raving about its performance, design, and features. Get ready to experience the future of mobile technology. With its advanced AR and VR capabilities, the iPhone 16 Pro opens up new possibilities for gaming, entertainment, and productivity. This is more than just a phone, it's a glimpse into the future. The iPhone 16 Pro is a beautifully crafted device. It feels substantial in hand. This is due to its aerospace-grade aluminum frame. The phone is also surprisingly light. This makes it comfortable to hold for extended periods. Apple continues its use of ceramic shield on the front. This provides industry-leading protection against drops and scratches. On the back, you'll find the now familiar frosted glass. It resists fingerprints and adds a touch of elegance. The iPhone 16 Pro is both stylish and durable. It's a phone that's built to last. You can take it anywhere with confidence. The iPhone 16 Pro boasts a stunning 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display. This is one of the best displays ever put on a smartphone. Colors are vibrant and lifelike. Blacks are deep and inky thanks to OLED technology. With a 120 Hz refresh rate, scrolling and animations are buttery smooth. The display also supports HDR content. This means you can enjoy movies and shows with incredible dynamic range and detail. Whether you're browsing the web, watching videos, or playing games, the iPhone 16 Pro's display will impress. At the heart of the iPhone 16 Pro is Apple's new A17 Bionic chip. This is the most powerful chip ever in a smartphone. It delivers blazing fast performance and incredible efficiency. The A17 Bionic features a powerful CPU. This handles demanding tasks with ease. It also has an upgraded GPU. This provides a significant boost in graphics performance. Whether you're editing 4K video or playing graphically intensive games, the iPhone 16 Pro can handle it all without breaking a sweat. Section 5. Camera capturing moments in exquisite detail. The iPhone has always been known for its camera. The iPhone 16 Pro takes things to a whole new level. It features a triple-lens camera system. This allows for incredible versatility and image quality. The main camera captures stunning photos and videos in any light. The ultra-wide lens lets you fit more into your shots, and the telephoto lens is perfect for capturing distant subjects. On the front, you'll find an improved true-depth camera. This takes amazing selfies and supports Face ID for secure authentication. Section 6. Battery and charging power through your day. Apple has made significant improvements in battery life with the iPhone 16 Pro. You can expect to get through a full day of use on a single charge. This is even with heavy usage. The iPhone 16 Pro also supports fast charging. You can get up to a 50% charge in just 30 minutes. Wireless charging is also supported. This gives you a variety of ways to keep your phone powered up. Section 7, Software, iOS 17, a seamless and intuitive experience. The iPhone 16 Pro runs iOS 17, Apple's latest mobile operating system. This new version is designed to be both powerful and easy to use, making your daily interactions with your device smoother and more efficient. iOS 17 introduces a range of new features and improvements that enhance the overall user experience. From messaging to privacy, every aspect has been thoughtfully upgraded. One of the standout features of iOS 17 is its intuitive design. The interface is not only visually appealing but also incredibly user-friendly, ensuring that even new users can navigate it with ease. Among the many new features, messaging gets a major upgrade. You can now edit and unsend messages, giving you more control over your conversations. This feature is particularly useful for those moments when you need to correct a typo or rethink a message you've sent. Additionally, there are more expressive ways to communicate with stickers and effects, making your messages more lively and engaging. The new standby mode is another innovative addition. This feature turns your iPhone into a bedside smart display, showing information at a glance. Whether you want to check the time, weather, or your calendar, standby mode makes it easy to stay informed without unlocking your phone. You can also customize standby mode with photos and widgets, allowing you to personalize your display to suit your preferences. iOS 17 also includes significant enhancements to privacy and security. With new features designed to keep your personal information safe, you can use your device with greater peace of mind. These enhancements ensure that your data remains protected, giving you more control over your privacy settings. Overall, iOS 17 offers a seamless and intuitive experience, making it easier than ever to stay connected, informed, and secure. Section 8. Pricing and availability, owning the future. The iPhone 16 Pro is available for pre-order now. It will be available in stores starting, insert date. Pricing starts at insert price for the 128GB model. You can choose from storage options up to 1 terabyte. The iPhone 16 Pro is a premium smartphone. It comes at a premium price. However, it offers an unparalleled user experience. This makes it a worthwhile investment for those who demand the best. Section 9. The competition iPhone 16 Pro versus the world. The iPhone 16 Pro faces stiff competition in the premium smartphone market. With each new release, the battle for the top spot intensifies, and this year is no different. Its main rivals include the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra and the Google Pixel 8 Pro. These devices are packed with cutting-edge technology and innovative features that make them formidable opponents. The Galaxy S23 Ultra offers a stunning display, a versatile camera system, and the S Pen. The display is one of the best in the market, providing vibrant colors and deep blacks, making it perfect for media consumption and gaming. The Pixel 8 Pro is known for its exceptional camera performance, clean software, and Google Assistant integration. Its camera is often praised for its ability to capture stunning photos in various lighting conditions, making it a favorite among photography enthusiasts. While the competition is fierce, the iPhone 16 Pro holds its own with its powerful A17 Bionic chip, impressive camera system, and seamless iOS 17 experience. The A17 Bionic chip ensures that the iPhone 16 Pro delivers top-notch performance, whether you're gaming, multitasking, or using demanding apps. Its camera system is designed to capture high-quality photos and videos, with features like night mode and deep fusion enhancing the overall photography experience. Additionally, iOS 17 offers a smooth and intuitive user experience, with new features and improvements that make the iPhone 16 Pro a joy to use. In the end, choosing the right smartphone comes down to personal preference and specific needs. But the iPhone 16 Pro certainly makes a compelling case for itself in the crowded premium smartphone market. Section 10. Conclusion: the ultimate smartphone experience. The iPhone 16 Pro is a remarkable device. It pushes the boundaries of what a smartphone can be. With its stunning design, powerful performance, incredible camera, and intuitive software, it's the most complete iPhone Apple has ever made. If you're looking for the ultimate smartphone experience and are willing to pay a premium for it, the iPhone 16 Pro is the clear choice. Section 11. Beyond the hype. A look at the future. The iPhone 16 Pro is more than just a great phone. It's a glimpse into the future of mobile technology. As we move towards a world that's increasingly reliant on our smartphones, devices like the iPhone 16 Pro will play a central role in our lives. With its powerful processor, advanced camera system, and seamless software, the iPhone 16 Pro is a sign of things to come. It's a phone that's not just designed for today, but for the years ahead.